First line, I have seen your notice in today's inverted commas start star comma inverted commas close, and I should like to have details of your new master's reading series full stop. I think such a series should make a wide appeal, comma, and I wish you much success with it, full stop. Second line, many of those who have seen my set of inverted comma start stories of the earth, comma, sea, comma, and sky, inverted commas close, speak highly of it, comma, and several, comma, I know, comma, have bought similar sets for themselves, full stop. Third line, I am sorry you have allowed inverted commas start poster designing inverted commas close to go out of stock, full stop. Such a book, comma, it seems to me, comma, should have a large sale, comma, as so many are now taking up the study of this subject, full stop. In view of this, comma, may I suggest a new issue, question mark.